Greetings, dear friends. I extend a warm welcome to my channel. If you're craving for delectable, zesty, and crunchy garlic bread made right at home, look no further. This recipe boasts of a medley of fresh herbs, spices, and robust garlic flavor. Each bite is a culinary delight. Baked to perfection, this simple yet mouth-watering recipe pairs exquisitely with your favorite dishes and comfort foods. It surpasses the store-bought variety by leaps and bounds. Plus, with straightforward ingredients, you'll find yourself returning to this recipe time and time again. Here's what you'll need to make it. In a bowl, combine milk, sugar, and yeast. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes foamy and bubbly to ensure its activation. For the dough, place flour in a large bowl. Add salt and sugar, then gradually pour in a little water, ensuring the dough doesn't become too wet. Mix until the dough starts to come together and pulls away from the sides of the ball. Incorporate the activated yeast into the dough and knead for 5 to 8 minutes until smooth, elastic, and slightly sticky to the touch but not excessively so. Allow the dough to rise in a warm place until doubled in size, approximately 1.5 hours. On a surface dusted with flour, thoroughly knead the dough and flatten it to a diameter of 10 inches with a thickness of a 1/4 inch. In a small bowl, combine butter with mixed herbs and chili flakes to your preference. Add chopped coriander leaves and minced fresh garlic, mixing thoroughly. Spread the butter mixture evenly onto the flattened dough. Carefully roll the dough and cut it from the middle, ensuring not to separate one edge. Gently spread it out and interlock it like a rope, folding the edges under the bread. Place it on a baking tray and sprinkle mixed herbs, chili flakes, and sesame seeds on top. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the bread for approximately 30 to 33 minutes or until golden brown on top. Tap the loaf lightly, it should sound hollow when done. Transfer the baked loaves to a wire rack to cool. Brush the tops with butter and allow them to cool for at least 15 minutes before slicing. Thank you friends for joining me. I trust you'll thoroughly enjoy this spicy garlic bread recipe. If it's your first time making garlic bread, you'll be amazed by how simple it is. After you've tried it, please do leave a comment and rating to let me know your thoughts. If you have relished this culinary journey, don't forget to show some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Your support fuels my passion, and I truly appreciate each one of you. I'll be back shortly with another delectable recipe to tantalize your taste buds. Until then, take care and stay safe. Happy baking!